Good morning, my beautiful wintergreen babies. All right, we are on week 22. Good gracious, that's a long time we've been doing Fam 5 together. All right, week 22, practice 1. Mr. Davis made 36 cookies. He sold 1/4 of them and gave 1/3 of the remaining cookies. That means what's left. He gave 1/3 of what was left to his neighbor. So how many cookies does he have left? So for this, again, I'm going to encourage you to make 2 bar models. All right. So first, he has 36. Write this up here. All right. It says he sold 1/4 of them. So you've got to divide this into fourths. So there we go. Okay. So 4 equal pieces is fourths. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. All right. So if there's 36 in all, how much is in each fourth? So 36 divided into 4 equal pieces gives you 9 in each. Okay. So there we go. All right, it says that Mr. Davis sold 1/4 of them. So these right here are gone. That 9 is gone. 1/4 is gone. All right. And so how many does he have remaining? He has 27 left. Okay. So you're going to make another bar model. Okay. So he sold 1/4 and now he's got 27 left. All right. And it says he gave 1/3 of the remaining ones to his neighbor. So you've got to divide this into thirds. So divide it into 3 equal pieces. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. All right, so if you're dividing it into thirds, how many's in each one of these? So 27 divided into 3 equal pieces is 9 in this one, 9 in this, and 9 in this, because 3 9s equals 27. All right. So it says he gave 1/3 of his remaining cookies to his neighbor. So he's going to give 1/3 of them away. Bye. Those are gone. So how many does he have left? 9 plus 9 is he has 18 left. Okay. And as always, I like to circle it and I like to highlight it so you know where you're at. You can do this without bar models. I don't recommend it because you have to think to yourself, you would have to think the problem backwards. So you would have to think 36, he sold 1/4 of them. So you would have to do 1/4 of 36. So 1/4 times 36 and get 9. But then you would have to subtract that 9 from 36 to get your remaining 27. And then you'd have to do that again. So easier than that is to just draw yourself some bar models and have it make sense in your head. All right, Josiah and Khalid ordered 2 pizzas from Little Caesars. Josiah ate 4/8, Khalid ate 3/8. How much pizza is left? Again, draw yourself a picture. All right, here's Josiah's pizza. Here is Khalid's pizza. Now, when you are doing pizzas in the 5th grade, you do rectangles, not circles, okay? Divided into 8 equal pieces, so that is 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this is Josiah's. He ate 4/8, so cross off what he ate. That's gone, 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 gone. How many 8s are left? There are 4 8s left. This is Khalid's pizza. Khalid ate 3/8. Gone, gone, gone. That is 3 out of 8. How much is left? There is 5 8s left. So the question says, how much pizza is left in all? So you have to add these 2 together. 4 8s plus 5 8s gives you 9 8s, which is 1 1/8. Okay, now I'm pretty sure that when you have to type it in, you're going to have to type it in as an improper fraction, which is 9 8s. So if you have to type it in, it's going to be 9 8s. If it's multiple choice, you might have to look for 1 1/8. Okay, all right, next one. Pearson practiced skateboarding a total of 10 hours last week. Oh, I hear a total. That goes at the top. 10 hours last week. How much time did he spend skateboarding if he practiced the same amount each day? So you're dividing it into equal parts over 7 days because there's 7 days in a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 7 days in all. So this is 10 hours divided over 7 days, which is equal to 10 sevenths, which is equal to 1 3/7. Okay, if you have to type it in, you're going to put this. If it's multiple choice, it will most likely be the mixed number form of it. Okay, next one. Miss Ross spends 11 hours reading to her four children. 11 hours total, okay? And I'm dividing that time equally between my 4 children because it says I read the same amount to each child. So divide it equally between my 4 children, okay? So if I do that, how much time do I spend reading with each child? So 11 hours divided between 4 children, turn it into a fraction, is 11/4, which is how many 4s are in 11? There are 2 with how many left over? 3 left over out of 4. There is my mixed number. So if I have to type it in, I'm going to put this. If I am doing multiple choice, it is most likely going to be this. All right. Next one. The diagram below shows all the pie left at the end of the picnic. So how much pie was left altogether? So you are taking this pie, you are adding it to this pie, and then those 2 are added to this one. So you're adding the 3 together. So first off, let's write the fractions. This is 3/4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. And this is 2 out of 4. Okay. As I said before, always line them up vertically. 3/4 plus 4/8 plus 2/4. All right. So we can see here that our denominators are different. So we're going to have to change the denominators to make it so they all have the same. Always, the first thing you need to ask yourself, does the little d divide into the big D? Does 4 divide into 8? Yes, it does. So you can make all of these have a denominator of 8. Since 4 is a factor of 8, you can just do that. All right, so this one right here, just slide it over. 4/8 stays 4/8. These 2, you're going to have to find equivalent fractions. All right, so to do that, do the same to the bottom as the top. What did you multiply 4 by to get 8? Times 2. Do the same thing to 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Do the same to the bottom as the top here. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Then you're ready to add. When you are adding fractions with the same denominator, the denominator stays the same. Then you add the numerators. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. Okay, so you got 14/8. If you have to type it in, you're going to type it in like that because you have to type it in as an improper fraction. If you have to find a mixed number, then 14/8, how many 8s are in 14? There is 1 with 6 left over. 1 6/8, which is also 1 3/4. So if you are doing multiple choice, look for either one of those answers. If you don't see 1 6/8, it'll be 1 3/4. All right, you are loved. I'll talk to you soon.